Let's start with the question. It is possible to use Xbox One controller on Linux distro. I'm about to buy a controller. I was thinking on the Xbox One controller. But I'm not quite sure if it is compatible with Linux systems. I have Debian 8 installed on my computer. So how can we solve this? There are two possible answers. Answer 1. Controllers on Linux has always been a little tricky. There should be no reason why it will not work, but might require a setup process. You will require a driver. Either XPad or Xbox DRV exist to accomplish this. Xbox One controllers should be known, and this elevates the need to manually edit config files. First, install the XPad kernel driver. Sudo apt-get install xpad. At this point, you can try to connect the controller and see if you can map controls in-game. If that does not work, or you would prefer more customization, install Xbox DRV. Sudo apt-get install Xbox DRV, then load the module, adding the parameter to disable XPad. If you have it loaded, sudo Xbox DRV, detach kernel driver, then try to map your controls. I've had luck with 360 controllers using XPad on my Arch Linux machine. After loading the module, I was simply able to map controls in games and emulators. Source: https://unixblogger.com. The 31st of May 2016. How to get your Xbox 360 wireless controller working under your Linux box. Note: though the guide is for 360 controllers, Xbox DRV supports Xbox One controllers, as indicated on their GitHub page here. Answer 2. Maybe it's time to upgrade your Debian 8 setup. Debian 10 is almost here, and Debian 9.6 was released November 2018. I'm using Arch Linux here and accept the fact that I had to install Xbox DRV using my package manager, Pacman. The instruction should remain the same with Ubuntu and Debian. Install the packages. Sudo apt-get install Xbox DRV. Start the services. Sudo systemctl enable Xbox DRV. Service sudo systemctl start Xbox DRV. Service. This will enable the driver and the service on every boot. And it will also start the service on your current session. Please note that I'm suggesting you to upgrade your Debian setup cause the Xbox DRV package got new versions on Debian 9 and 10. I hope these answers helped, and if they did, please drop a comment and subscribe.